Alright, cut the crap. Stop this now. I have to show you the truth about nature. I like nature, and so should you. But when you see a picture of a bear, like so, it gets me mad. 'Cause then, in nature, you see a picture like the one I am about to show you. You see, the truth about nature is that it's not always nice like you see in the movies. Even though you do see people getting eaten, you don't see a lot. Even a butterfly can make people sad. See? Butterflies make people sad. They're supposed to be harmless, like birds. And that's another picture I can show you. Why? Remember, people, nature can be nice, healthy, but it has a bad side. To prove this to you, the rest of this video, I'm gonna put pictures of vicious animals being jerks to humankind and other animals. Have fun. This is Kevin, Beatles Rocker, out. Oh, but remember, humans pwn animals too.